Is it time to change your dirty air filter on your Kawasaki Mule? Today we're going to show you how to do that. My name's Kristen, and this is Maintenance Matters. We're going to start by raising the bed up. If you have any aftermarket accessories like a roof or a windshield, you might have to remove those or loosen them. Let's get started. Behind this panel, you'll find your airbox lid. You'll loosen this clip and clip on the bottom as well. Set that aside. This is your airbox lid. You'll loosen all 4 clips. There's a small hose that attaches to your airbox lid. Go ahead and loosen that up. Let it hang out of the way. This is your air filter. It just slides right out. You'll check it for any kind of damaged fins, water damage, dirt, any extra debris. This one looks like it's in good shape, so we're going to go ahead and wipe it out and use our air hose to remove any excess dust. Now reinstall this the same way it came out. You'll see a clip here, here, and here. Matches up to the inside of your airbox. Slide that back in. Wipe out the inside of your airbox lid. Reinstall. Now you can reinstall your access panel and you're good to go. Happy riding!